The group who led us, ATN, who led us in this matter, for the first and second respondent, that is the River State House of Assembly and Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule. The appeal by the governor of River State was dismissed by the Supreme Court this morning following the notice of withdrawal by the governor of the appeal he filed. Consequently, the decisions of the Court of Appeal and that of the Federal High Court, presided over by Honorable Justice Omotosho J, affirming that the River State House of Assembly, led by Honorable Martin Amaewhule, and the other 26 members of the House of Assembly are the authentic members of that House of Assembly and remain so, and that Martin Amaewhule is the leader, that is the Speaker of the House of Assembly. So that is the position today, and I must add that the Court of Appeal had admonished and clearly stated that the House, purportedly being led by a three-man panel, is not the House, River State House of Assembly. Thank you very much. Thank you.